So recently, I decided that I needed to change my boyfriend's bachelor bedroom, and because it came up dry the last time I started this project, I thought I should do something a little more drastic this time. So, Tim and I went furniture shopping recently to see if we could get a better idea of what it's going to cost us to replace the bedroom furniture that we have currently, or at least part of it. We're keeping the dresser and the chair. And honestly, I didn't really find anything that worked 100% for the space, both design-wise and material-wise. Because I feel like I didn't make any kind of dent into changing this room, I decided to do something that was going to change the room more instantly so that I can feel better. Where the f did he put my plaster? He didn't put it in the garage, did he? I don't know if Tim put my plaster in the garage or not. To be completely honest with you, there is a solid chance that I told him to, and I don't remember. But because Tim's not here, I'm gonna find something to accuse him of. So for right now, it's going to be, damn it, Tim, you put my f***ing plaster in the garage when I told you not to. I think. I genuinely don't remember if I told him to or not. Oh, shit. Now I gotta go down to the garage and put bug spray on because of all the mosquitoes. Little f***ers. Oh, hi, Andrea. Andrea just got here.
Hi.
We have the adult supervision.
Oh, yeah.
And now I've got to take this stool with me because I can't reach and go downstairs to the garage. All because, Tim, I told you to leave it in the closet. I think. I don't remember. He's out of town and he still finds a way to cause me problems every time. Every time. Tim, watching this from Missouri. I gotta find some way to blame him for something that he probably didn't do. I can't get into this because he locked this. I'm gonna be so mad. I legitimately can't get into this. Gonna help. I mean, it fits in there.
Is there any other keys?
I can check the drawer. I don't know that I do. He told me that this key was for work. Lies.
Yeah, master.
Lies. Deception. I should, just over that. This motherfucker, he put it in here and on the side that I don't have a key for.
It was in fact the same key.
You know, if I hadn't have, there's a mosquito. If I hadn't have stolen his car keys, there would have been no video this week. So remember to blame him in the comment section, as you should. No video, no video. I'm looking at you, Tim. I'm looking at you. I plugged this thing in a couple of months ago and neither of us have been able to remove this from the wall, and now I have to do that.
Who put this in here?
I did. I didn't hammer it in, it just went in. Holy f***, you got it out.
Nice. Was I recording?
Yeah, yes. For anyone that's an electrician that might be watching this, did it melt the port? This is plastic. It's like a grounding pin. This bit's plastic and it literally this is the reason why it didn't come out. I don't know if it just melted it. Oh shit, it's all separated. The little drill bit is downstairs in the same locker and I don't know that I want to go get that. This is about to get messy. Ew. This is modern art. I think that this could go for 2.3 million. I call this piece shit splattered all over the wall. No, seriously though, this is what like almost all modern art looks like to me. I think that like maybe if I cried while smearing the all over the wall, that then I could convince people that this was me spreading my emotions, and that's why it's such an expensive piece. That's an excuse that I have heard before. I've made a horrible mistake. I can't open the bedroom door anymore. I got it. So, I have just realized that I never told you guys why I am smearing plaster all over the wall. And the reason why is for the same reason I did it through the rest of the house, because for some reason the people that built this place decided that it would be a good look to have very textured walls. Now, that was in the 80s. So rather than just painting over the texture that's all over these walls, I've decided to skim coat it and make it all one nice smooth texture, and then I am going to paint it not blue. And although I think that it's very pretty and it's a very nice shade of blue, it also does not go with the rest of the house, as well as I'm still having this problem to where this bedroom feels like Tim's bedroom. It doesn't feel like our bedroom, it doesn't feel like my bedroom, so I feel the need to change it. But Tim and I have already talked about this, and I have the text receipts, honey. So before you try and tell me that I did this while you were out of town and that you're shocked, I have the receipts. Okay, so I finished plastering this wall, or skim coating, whatever you want to call it, yesterday or 2 days ago, something like that. The point is that the plaster is dry now and is ready to be sanded smooth. After I do that though, I'm going to need to pick up some primer and some paint from Lowe's, but I don't want to go alone. But luckily my dad's in town, so I'm going to see if I can get him to go with me. So at this point, I got some painting materials that weren't 100% necessary to buy, but they were cool as hell. And Tim wasn't here to say abusive to me, like, honey, I don't really think we have space for those, or whatever it is that he says to me. So now is the time to take advantage of that. Also, I kept trying to record putting stuff into the cart, but my dad kept walking away with the cart. Dad, you gotta do this stuff on camera.
I'm not on this video.
No one tell him that he's in this video. So at this point, he typed in his military discount so that I could get all of my unnecessary shit for a lower price. And after checking out, he was really ready to get the out of Lowe's. Except that I had forgotten the primer. And then he was really ready to get the out of Lowe's. But then I found out that the paint that I bought was actually buy one, get one free. So we had to go back to get that, obviously. And then after that, my dad was over this shit. I think I have, hopefully, the right sandpaper for this. I do. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And goggles. Awesome. And in true dad fashion, as soon as he heard my sander turn off, he started vacuuming, before I even had the chance to start hand sanding. So, I'm realizing that unfortunately I don't have time to prime and paint tonight because, as my dad reminded me, if I were to paint now, I would gas myself out in my sleep the whole night, which might not be a good idea, maybe. Also, I'm doing this room one wall at a time because there's a lot of really heavy furniture in here and I can't do it myself, or at least I can't move it all myself. And it's going to take a while, and I wanted to complete one wall at a time because I know myself well enough to know that I'm going to get distracted and walk away from this project, and it's going to look like shit in here for weeks with like patches all over the wall if I were to just do it all at once. You know, it is times like these then I am reminding myself that this is not HGTV. This is white trash renovation on a f***ing budget. I also have a full-time job. Like, outside of this. Even though I feel a little let down that I didn't get to paint the bedroom in this video like I planned, I still feel a little bit better that I am making active progress to finally start changing this bedroom. If you're interested in watching more of me renovate and/or watching me harass my boyfriend, then this video might be worth a watch.